Math is a wonderful thing.
It's gonna be legendary. It's gonna be
Math is a
legendary.
really cool thing. Let's do some math, 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 math.
And now we're going to do our favorite, slope. This time we're going to do some where the problems involve us to do, I can't talk, just like in class. See, there it is again. Where we're going to do it using the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. There, it took me 10 minutes to get it out. But you guys should all have this memorized. Now let's use it. So here we go. We got 2 points. 4, 5, and 7, 13. Now, let's remember how we do this. Okay, let's label them. This is your x1. This is your y1. So 4 is x1, 5 is y1. And this here is going to be x2. And this will be y2. And remember that we have m, which is slope. Remember, m is slope. Let's draw a little line here so we don't get all confused. That m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So all we gotta do is plug in these numbers, subtract, and we'll have our answer. So let's remember that slope, m equals, draw another line here, y2 is going to be 13 minus y1 is 5, and that's a bad 5. I'm going to draw a different one. That one's even worse. Do it again. You guys think I have bad handwriting on the board. And now we need to look for x2. It's going to be 7 minus x1, which is 4. Oops. Gotta have the right color. 4. And now it's just simple. 13 minus 5 is 8. And 7 minus 4 is 3. And our slope is 8 over 3. Now remember with slope, we can leave it like that as an improper fraction. That's what we want to do. Let's do a harder one. And this one's going to be a little bit more difficult as we've thrown in a bunch of negatives. Now remember that we're always going to subtract. It's y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1, which makes it a little bit trickier with the negative numbers. Let's go through and label these again. We have x1 and y1 as well as x2 and y2. Okay, draw the line. And what's the formula again? Put subtraction signs in there already. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Great X. Okay, so let's fill them in. M equals, draw our line again. Okay, y2 is going to be 3 minus y1 is negative 9. There we go. And I'm going to fix it. Yeah, that looks way better. And then we have x2, which is going to be negative 12 minus x1, which is negative 4. Now remember, when we are subtracting integers, we change the minus to a plus, change the sign of next. So this is going to change into 3 plus positive 9 over negative 12 plus positive 4 equals. Now we're going to have to bring it over here a little bit, so it might get a a little bit cramped here. So 3 plus positive 9 is just going to be 12. And then we have negative 12 plus positive 4, which is going to be negative 8. Okay, we have a slope of 12 over negative 8. And as you know, we can reduce that if we divide both the top and the bottom by 4. We end up with 3 over negative 2. And that will be, I can't get any of it. And that will be 3 over negative 2. There we go. Pretty easy stuff.